guys, welcome back to World of Mechanics. Thank you guys for watching and subscribing to the channel, guys. If you have a Jeep Cherokee, Jeep Compass or Jeep Renegade, guys, with a 2.4 Multiair engine and you're trying to figure out if you have a timing belt or timing chain, stay with us and we'll explain, guys, which one of the two you have. Now, as you can see, guys, we have the engine out of that Jeep because we will have more than 100 videos on that engine alone, guys. We'll show you how to fix everything from start to finish, guys, and with the engine out of the vehicle we can show you every little detail, we can show you every little bolt where it's located and how to remove everything. So that's why we guys did it. We put quite a bit of work, and in addition we're making more than 200 videos on every car we get at the shop because our mission is to save you guys as much money as we can. So please, guys, subscribe to the channel and like the video. Let's start on it and show you guys what we have here. Now, we took a few things apart, guys. We removed the timing cover, we removed valve cover. All that is here, as you can see. Why? Okay, so we can, guys, show you how to replace, okay, and where timing chain or timing belt is located. So let's review now and see what we have. So let's go ahead, pull the towel and see what is happening, guys. This is it. We have, guys, timing chain on the 2.4 Multiair engine. It's equipped with a timing chain. We have a double timing chain, one for the camshaft. It goes from the crankshaft to the camshaft. And we have a secondary chain, guys, that is responsible for the oil pump and the balance shaft. We have the video how to replace oil pump, balance shaft. We have video on timing marks and all that, guys. You have two tensioners, one for the first chain here. This is really important, hydraulic tensioner. So I'll definitely, guys, recommend to replace that every 100,000 miles. Even maybe less, 80,000 miles. Even though the chain, most people will not replace it, I'll recommend the tensioner because we've seen those fail. And this is, guys, the tensioner for the oil pump. This one usually has less stress than this one, so this one will be the one that you want to address. But if you guys want to see the video, we have the video from start to finish, how to install timing chain, how to remove, how to replace the timing chain, how to set the timing marks. All that will be on the channel because this is one super complicated engine, guys. This engine itself, okay, it has only one camshaft. Even though it's a 16 valve engine, it has only one valve camshaft because you can see the intake valves are controlled by control solenoids, valve control solenoids, variable timing control solenoids, and you do not have a camshaft. You just have the first camshaft right here that controls, that's the exhaust camshaft that controls the other valves as well. So this is it, guys. Hopefully the video will be helpful to any of you having that engine. Hopefully, guys, the video will be helpful. Please, guys, subscribe to the channel for more videos and see you guys next time.